igama elisibhaca into engihlala ndiyitsho le ukuthi licha and nangaba utakumu njengebhaca utontshena ukuthi uyibhaca ubhacile lawe Monfreya ingoba wawusuka kaZulu yilapho uyilahla khona because leli gama lesibhaca licha yes lifike ngoba sisesivele siyobhaca but kuqala amabhaca kwakuthiwa amazelemu
yes.
Uyabona uZulu ngendlela mhlambe nje ububona nje iKwaZulu Natal kukhona amaZulu ngalendlela angayo mina ngibuka ukuthi ayengeke kwazi ukunqoba mhlambe kube khona indawo yamaZulu ukubani kuthiwa uShaka kayenzanga lento ayenza ukuthi ahlanganise zonke lezi zizwe ngoba kwakuyizizwe kahle bonke obuthelezi omagwaza okhumalo kwakuyizizwe ezahlukahlukene.
So we can't ignore the fact that social media then plays a role, right, into or influence us into how we live right now. Saphinde sabuya futhi madoda kungcono kodwa ekhaya.
Kungcono ekhaya.
Kungcono ekhaya.
Feel home.
Kumele sikhulume
relax.
Kumele sikhulume ngesilungu ke manje. Akungcono ekhaya uthini ngesilungu modwa kungcono ekhaya. Isn't it wonderful?
Indaba esingisi.
Yeah, sivele sihlale la ukuthi feel at home.
Feel at home.
Was vele sibambe lo mzila lo.
Feel at home.
All right.
Esingisi
Hayi mangabe njalo ke mavele sibambela ukuthi ake feel at home. We are at home lana sijabulile sisonke siyabonga ukuthi you are with us. Siyabonga futhi nokuthi you are engaging us lapha kuma socials. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sesina 500 subscribers kodwa hayi. The new podcast. We only started in April. And we're already at almost we're at 500. Actually just above 500. Siyabonga. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Masikhulen sonke and there's more that's going to happen kwi Kaya podcast. Okubingelela ke uye uqamqameketela madoda ufoka computer phansi exopha lapha kudabula khona. Ufule nguphuza umkhulu madoda. uZulu kalmeshe ofisa ongafofanga ngamalayo madoda undaba ezitha umageba uthi punya kancane ngokusolatha nonato futhi lekulonyoko madoda mina phela nguye lo owavunywa abomalume bambada badide embekezele ngabadida ke mina lapha nebhayi badayi you are Jay's demand ngabadide manzi namnandi badayi madoda wena untshasware kodwa nje uyabona kumodomodo kwamnandi ngaliphinda kabi yimi ke loyo namhlanje ke uyabona ukuthi iset is different.
Uyabona
new face,
new voice.
Yay. Ngoba sike sathi sathi phela sicela ukuthi nize nisivakashele la eKaya podcast. Anyone is welcome to come and azoxoxa nathi kube mnandi kube njalo and I'm very much excited but before ke athi ngibulise nje wonke umuntu okhona phela the familiar faces and unfamiliar faces aqale ngama familiar faces awusibo unjani lapha
asha saphinda futhi sabuye ekhaya tshela umngani wakhe ziyabuya ekhaya
awu madoda
ubingelelayo ke usibo umfoka Mahlase kunjalo nje insizwe engasiye zisasho namanje zithi tshitshile ngulube insizwa zambuka zamnyonkolo zakayishaya ngendukusha ngengeze uqobo ndoba zimqoma ngazayi ifuna ukumqabula bathi ukuhlehla kwenqama ukubonwe izinto kwanti bazibomvu zaconsa amathi ngumZulu kaMjitho amazinyamhlophe waqhathwa le kwaceza
umZulu kaMjitho
sisekhaya umZulu kaMjitho kunjalo
ngiphathele Monfreya manje usakhona
ndikho bengaya ngesibhaca
ngiyayithanda ke le
hayi ndingaya ngesibhaca sithi Sanyana
Saniyana.
eThekwini
Awu.
sanibonana endlini dumelanga konhlungu
Awu. Ngiyayithanda le yapha
Ya,
esisuthu.
Hayi sana lo mfundisi isuthu.
Yey, konhlungu.
ya dumelanga konhlungu bathu kina ya igama lami ke uviwa kwaSigudu usinalo gameso advocate wamabhaca advocate wamabhaca
Yes.
Yeah.
saniyana Khudulani leto ticamba andifuna umuntu ake yabona ke ongathi akakabi naso isicamba sakhe
Hawu,
yena
kunini kanti?
ngicunukisa Khudulani leto ticamba dosani icamba tenu nihlale phasi nenabe ngoba kulayila
Ekhaya.
kunjani ekhaya
Kungcono ekhaya. Njenga ngishilo ukuthi sisazobabiza bonke abantu ukuthi beze la ekhaya. So today we have a friend of the show naso sihlangane nalapha kwa TikTok ngiphethe intokazi enhle umawawa awusawubona
Umawawa ngithina lo nto uthi umawawa.
umawawa
wisto
awubulisa phela ekhaya bajabule ngawe
Maleni ngumawawa ke ntombi yasemampingini kongwangwashe ndibuya le kuqumke.
awu usiphethe uqumbu ke namhlanje awu tshala lami liteta kuqumbu notholo ngukhulume awu madam
Yabona la samba khona. Yabona la samba khona.
Ndimakhono wakho njalo.
awu madoda so ubuya kwaqumbu that means you are Xhosa.
Ndingulimpondo kaloku.
Oh ulimpondo yazi previously uViko wathetha ngamapondo ukuthi amapondo ayaxela kathethi is that true?
Sinyanisile siyaxela thina sithethi.
Eh.
Asibophi siyaxela.
abenta bhobhola
Wait, so kwaqumbu amampondo that's a Mpondo region or wena ukwaqumbu you are just a Mpondo kwaqumbu noba
Singamampondo nje sonke qumbu.
umuntu wakuqumbu
Wonke umuntu nje limpondo.
Yes, I've always thought ukuthi kwaqumbu is Xhosa people.
Same.
Wow. So
Amampondo.
inkosi yoniphethe lapho ubani? Noba mhlawumbe
Inkosi unyawuza thina.
ubani?
Unyawuza.
Nyawuza. Oh okay, hayi siyabonga ukuthi usivakashele ke namhlanje.
Nami ndiyaviba sekhaya.
Hayi.
Uvina ukhathele kuba muhle yedwa kule show.
Yena nomagatsheni phela sakhona.
Hayibo.
kanjani magatsheni utahlawula
Ke phela bakithi.
Uzandifaka ekuthetheni.
Yabona ke
utahlawula
Hey, pata sibonge kakhulu sibonga. So uyampondo.
Ayo ndelimpondo.
Oh okay, cool. That's so interesting. So namhlanje sinomzulu. Sinombhaca. Sinebhaca. Hayi, yazini. Kumele vele. Sinebhaca. Kunempondomise is it there's a difference between mpondomise and mpondo. Does ne? So when we impondo.
Ndilimpondo.
Ulimpondo.
Okay.
And then there's impondomise
Yeah.
when uyimpondo. Laba baxelayo. Namampondomise axela nawo.
Yeah, I think ngaxola nawo.
Oh okay, cool. Then so uZulu bhaca mpondomise and bhaca. Hayi
Siyambona njalo.
So as in ufuna ukuthi vele ngene kuwe ke mawa ukuthi what is it that you like about your culture that the things that you practice in your culture without thinking ezibuye impondomise nje yini le uyithandayo ngempondomise that you practice even now without even thinking about it?
Okay. Ndizoqala thina amampondo sinayo lento okuthiwa imfene. I think yazi vi.
Imfene.
Ukusina kwenu.
Yes, ndandixhensa ke nami ndandisina imfene.
hayi usho ubuntima
Imfene like a monkey.
untima
Ndingaphakama ngoku
Hey!
kumna.
Iphakama phela.
Hayi kaloku abantu kodwa ke andibonqeni nabantu. Kaloku utatam kaloku ucula ezingoma zesimpondo.
Oh,
So
okay.
ke ngoku ndakhula phansi kwakhe phansi kwalento bana ekhaya siyasina isimpondo.
Oh,
Yes.
even now usacula noba waye.
Usacula nangoku
okay.
nguMadusbin.
Phela-
Akakazi publish ngoma
shout out-
zakhe,
shout out
but
to,
ke, shout out to
Mbize
Madusbin.
phela, Mbize.
Umpinga uwawo bholo waqosha into omntwana.
washa
Shut up my dustbin.
Shout out to Madusbin.
So tell us about Imfene. What is Imfene entails?
Imfene ndizawuthi i-traditional dance.
Oh, it's a traditional dance.
Yamampondo, yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yes.
So ngisho ngathi ngayibona mhlombe singathole video nje. Uzangibonisa.
hayi ngoba usukhona
Even
sebo.
nomuntu asekhaya omncinci ukhulele emfeneni.
ha
Hayibo, Imfene yona monkey like what's going on?
No, ayo monkey but yindlela esibiza ngayo le dance le nditsho by traditional dance.
Andithi esibhacini nendlamu.
Yeah.
Nabo ke amampondo uthi banemfene.
Sinemfene.
Oh.
Yabona the way atsho ngakhona unicingisa okay kukholwe nyaka Alexandra 8 bekho abantu bebexhansa imfene pha bebesina imfene so bantu bebexhansa imfene.
Alex Kupela Alexandra like
Alexandra ya la inphuma khona.
Oh, okay.
Kaslami.
Oh, khona manje say Alex.
Yes.
Okay, shout out to Alex.
Uyiphika. Sakuveza indaba.
Yangiphika.
Sakuveza indaba. But ke bensatsho ke so abantu babethi bana abantu bayangcola.
Okay.
Bathi kunemfene bebothuswa leli gama elithi imfene besicela ba kukho imfene like
bathi bathakathi.
babiza amapolisa khawufana ucinge inkinga ngokuba babiza amapolisa bathi kukho imfene ye8
Hayibo.
uyayibona
Uthini la kuthini?
bathi kunemfene ye8 and ke ngokuba sebemuvile from e8 sebesinela epen
Oh.
yabo so ke ngoku xa kufika amapolisa babakhombe pen bathi imfene isepen amapolisa ngoku azofuna lemfene and abayazi ba imfene
It's a traditional dance.
bona bacimba futhi bazafumana imfene imali
Oh, njenganami nje ngilo.
njengana ucimba futhi
Uthaba
bamna
phela
ndithi
imfene,
monkey
but-
kanti no i-traditional dance.
Is it like imitating Imfene type of style? No, but it's totally different from Imfene. It's just that.
I work ama moves
apho andinasi isiqiniseko but imfene v
I think now uyazi ngiyafisa ukubona ama movie
yeah
but
kodwa uzositshengisa
Sizanibonisa, cha,
safuna
cha,
ukuthi uyibone
Okay.
fan
xa nilayitela ispeaker
okay
Sizanibethela.
but that's singaslide phela khona manje singaslide siphi speaker yasibengeze besikhona khona la besingaslide nje speaker vele babone na ekhaya ukuthi
hayi kodwa
Imfene
ake sithi uzobuya naye fan
uzabuya
uzabuya
okay
naye
ake
mfana.
nangu ubonge usibone ngoba mina bese ngithi vele sifuna ukubona Imfene but
benhle nje
I like-
ngonqeni beninganisinela donqeni
Okay. So that's what you like about your culture.
yeah ndithanda nje uyabona nje phela konke
That's what you like to practice and you know how to do
yes
Imfene.
I know.
Oh, okay, cool. V, siyazi ukuthi amabhaca say and I actually don't like this, right? What I'm going to say ne ukuthi kunamabhaca ase Manfred kunamabhaca ase Mzimkhulu because I know that there's some sort of a friction lapha ukuthi laba bathi amabhaca kanjani laba bathi amabhaca kanjani because I think isizwe sikaMadzikana isizwe ekumele ukuthi sibumbane, right? And I think it start with us as young people ukuthi we must actually then say that is ubhaca into eyodwa either use eManfrey Eastern Cape noba usemzimkhulu nginabo auntie nami lapha ya eManfrey mina ngisemzimkhulu and it's one thing but I want to know from you umbhaca waseManfrey na what is it that you like about your culture that you practice without even thinking about it this is what I like about isibhaca
I love the language.
the language
The language.
Hey, vele mawubhobha
I like
vele
it.
yazi
Yo,
ukubhobha kumandi
yo.
kumandi
Ndiyazithanda isibhaca. I
Eh.
love the language. Like nami khona abantu abake basina besibhobha ndithi ndichazekile man. Like ndi on because ndimamele lo muntu ubhobha isibhaca.
Eh.
Uyabona shem
Eh.
I love the language.
it's I think it's a very fascinating language and I think we spoke about it ukuthi the Tekela languages which is yiso isibhaca yiso Ispondo nina ke siboni ningama it's a Zunda language. It's a Zunda language. Nani there's a nice thing about isiZulu Zunda language that I actually like the way the pronunciation and stuff like that. But ngoba nami ngumbhaca, even though mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma isibhaca, but I really love isibhaca and ngiyajabula umuntu maden my Bob isibhaca. But ukhulu wami khona manje bonke ekhaya ba Bob isibhaca. Yimi nje umuntu othi uphumele ngaphandle ngoba phela mina ngakhulela khona.
Bakuvuma le valo.
Mina ngavunya fix bag. Akujole like bathori dipere bathi ba Fisbet bathori dipere. Bayazi, but I like the fact that isibhaca. But what is it? Also you said it's a language that you really like. So what is it that you like about the Zulu culture that you practice without even thinking about it?
Kuningi ke kwaZulu kodwa nje engicabanga ukuthi khamba phambili imvunulo ke hamsana nengoma igidi indlela nje esenza ngayo imicimbi ihlukile futhi kwaZulu siyahloba intombi ziyahloba insizwa ziyavunula
yini ukuhloba
angithi insizwa mawukuthi insizwa iyavunula
ngeke uthi umuntu
esifazane uyavunula uyahloba
yes
abe imbala
abe imbala hey I like that, and I think kwaZulu I like the distinction abanikeza each and every maybe stages of life.
Kunjani phela kunjani
entombini kuya kuye umuntu wesifazane oseganile na nesensizweni zinjalo kunensizwa kunomfana and then kuya
kuningi kakhulu kuningi khona amajongo khona insizwa kuningi.
Is there difference between ijongo nensizwa?
Ukhona.
What is the difference there?
Uyabona mawuthi ngokweminyaka ke njengamanje because ngathini kwaZulu indaba yeminyaka ukuthi neminyaka emingaka kwakuyinto yabona engandile, so kwakubuka ngokuthi mhlambe masuko 16 to 20 sewuyijonga ukabi insizwa usayijonga nje awuseyena umfana omncane so uyijongo nje yabona mawusuthi ngaphezulu ko20 okay yaqala kuba insizwa lapha.
Okay. I think me what I'm most proud of also kwaZulu that I think kwaZulu kwabhaca ngumZulu kahle ngoba phela mina nguZulu sibongo sami leso mina ngumageba ngondaba ezitha kodwa ke I'm a relative to uZulu wakwaZulu mina nguZulu wakwabhaca ngumntwana kaMalandela but omdala. So sahlukana lapho ukuthi uMalandela laphana then kuba nalabanye abasala kwaZulu then kube no uZulu kaMtombela lo then wazala uMadzikana nabo bani and then that's when we disagreed, and that's why kumele sikhulume ngale ndaba ngoba baleko bethi amabhaca abaleka kwaZulu kwenzakalana angiyazi nje leso story ukuthi kahle saphuma phi bekuvi
mana ke vi wena ngokuqonda kwakho njoba ningamabhaca amabhaca igama lethi bhaca uma ucabanga mhlawumbe ngokwazi kwakho nolwazi olukusukela kuphi kanti
igama elisibhaca into engihlala ndiyitsho le ukuthi licha and nangaba utakumu njengebhaca utontshena ukuthi uyibhaca ubhacile lawe Monfreya ingoba wawusuka kaZulu yilapho uyilahla khona because leligama lesibhaca licha yes lifike ngoba sisesivele siyobhaca but kuqala amabhaca kwakuthiwa amazelemu yes igama lesibhaca lona lifike ngoba sebemuva ke ngoku kwasho kwathiwa amabhaca
ngeqala igama lethi amazelemu
eqaleni kwakuthiwa amazelemu, so that's why sisho umuntu nayifuna nayilandzela ihistory yamabhaca makangayikhila idasi aqhamuke sesi nimabhaca kakade ngoba kaloku nibhacile iqala uyidose
no and futhi le ndaba kumele siyaddress le ukuthi bathi sibhacile le noba bathi sibhacile ngoba sabhaca thina we were rebellious against umbuso kaShaka ngoba thina zange sifune abomthetho abondwandwe bonke they submitted okwaZulu so that nina vele amagwala usho ukuthi le nina submit under a certain king
Yes.
na ngoba nadliwa umhlaba wenu thina owethu umhlaba zange udliwe umadzikana wala inkosi yethu yala nathina sisayisi so ningalinge nje nithi sisasabhaca ngoba nina vele nathatha umhlaba wenu seningamazulu manje senizibiza ngamazulu nithi ni proud naze kahle ukuthi inkosi zenu vele nazathathwa zabulawa ezinye zabatshela ukuthi nina mangabe avele anikhonzi niyafa
kodwa
and yikho
ake sithinte leyo ndaba leyo ukuthi uyabona uZulu ngendlela mhlambe nje ububona nje iKwaZulu Natal kukhona amazulu ngalendlela angayo mina ngibuka ukuthi ayengeke kwazi ukunqoba mhlambe kube khona indawo yamaZulu ukubani kuthiwa uShaka kayenzanga lento ayenza ukuthi ahlanganise zonke lezi zizwe ngoba kwakuyizizwe kahle bonke obuthelezi omagwaza okhumalo kwakuyizizwe ezahlukahlukene
injalo
kodwa mase ihlanganisile sezilwa sesayidini elilodwa zonke ikhona lokwenza ukuthi amaZulu abe strong ngalendlela
no we can't dispute and ngifuna ukuzese lapho we can't dispute into enziwa ingonyama uShaka ne it is a great thing ukuthi ahlanganise abantu abamnyama babe isizwe esisodwa ne and we respect that nakhona that's why nakhona manje wonke umuntu olapha ya sithi uZulu siyayihlonipha kodwa ke nathi abantu azange bafune ukungena embusweni wakaZulu sathina sizazimela singamabhaca they must respect us as much hayi ukuthi sathi sifuna ukubaleka sicashe ini
Ayikho njalo.
ayikho njalo kumele nabo bahloniphe lobukhosi
Yes.
obu ubhaca because bhaca it's a tribe of its own it got its own rituals got its own thing bangabe abakamthethwa njenga iShaka iLembe yasibonisa ukuthi bokunako bomthethwa kunabo buthelezi kunabo banibani and then uShaka angifuna ukuthi uShaka inkosi uShaka united that it's a great thing and we I cannot dispute ukuthi together we can make actually a great nation and into efana lezo but the ukuthi si-undermine ngoba singamabhaca akuphi ngamaZulu ngoba bathi hayi thina sabaleka kuShaka bonke babaleka there was a dispensation that during that time even though I think the history is distorted le ndaba emfeqane was it's a distortion it happened ayenzwanga isilo uShaka kuphela umfeqane it happened even after abelungu bafika ukuthi the dispense abantu and then bona bathi hayi uShaka wenzeka hayi nabelungu nabo they played a role and abantu bakwaZulu I think they are ignorant of that ukuthi namhlanje kukanjena not just because inkosi uShaka it was because nabelungu they played a role kulento enzakela but ke asikho lapha sisafika
kunjalo phela ngifuna kunendaba futhi etha ayisondele lapha mawubheka iLesotho ukuthi iphunywe kanjani so nalapho iyona into ayezama uShaka le ukuthi ahlanganise zonke lezi zizwe lezi but into ayenza umshweshwe laphana inzima kakhulu ngoba wanyukela entabeni babehlisa amatshe lapha noZulu mayekhuphuka
injalo
kwagcina ngokuthi ke bagcina le ndawo begcina beyigegela ke bayiyeka ke asala kanjalo ke
did you know though that's interesting did you know that umzilakazi inkosi umzilakazi mayezohlukana noShaka uShaka wamthumela kuphi wamthumela eLesotho ukuthi ahambe ayodlalo sasizwe saseLesotho mayefika lapha eLesotho phela ibutho lokamzilakazi yilo lele elalwa nomshweshwe to a point ukuthi umshweshwe then became a friend nomzilikazi and mabe umzilakazi wangasabuyeli lapha emgungundlovu wavela wathi hayi ngizayishaya mina ngizazenzela sami isizwe wahamba waya le lapho eBulawayo lapho khona wafika wazenzela that's why kuneBulawayo eZimbabwe because it was a replication of eBulawayo le eKwaZulu hey imnandi kona history ayikho mnandi history
Ngithanda ukubhubha.
But what shapes you angifuna ukwazi ke mawawa ukuthi what shapes you the type of in your culture what do you think shapes your thinking is your thinking shaped by your ubupondo noma then wena as you are much more flexible ukuthi no even the western culture it can actually shaped ukuthi uphila kanjani namhlanje what shapes you do you still are you more inclined to ispondo noba so bamba lapho nalapho and then most of the things is western culture
Benike ndathi ekuqaleni bana mina ndikhule ndixhenza ndithi
Yeah.
khule ndisina imfene
ukhulela kuphi
emakhaya.
emakhaya
Yes.
equmbu
Uqumbu nothi equmbu.
kuqumbu hayi shout out kuqumbu ngicela phela nisifundise kuqumbu
Sizanifundisa. So the way bekusenzeka ngakhona, the way ekhaya besenza ngakhona izinto. Sikhuliswe ngokusina imfene.
okay
Kuphekwa imiqa. Yawazi umqa?
hayi andiwazi yini umqa
Vi, awazi umqa?
Hey andi.
nangu uvi usabambe usabambe into
Nakuphekwa
zo
umqa. Uyabona ithanga mos?
ithanga
Ithanga, yes,
Okay.
ipumpkin.
yeah
Yes.
yeah
Kudityaniswa ipumpkin nomilimili.
okay
Isijingi leso.
Ngumntu ke kuthi.
okay nasemzimkhulu
Nezigwamba, yabona yonke
Yeah.
lento leyo.
Yeah.
So ndingathi ke mina
Nemfino, sho ukuthi nawe-
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, kudityaniswa imifino nayo imilimili, sisigwamba ke eso ngakuthi. So ke ngoku bensasho kubana ekhaya sikhuliswe ngemfene. Sikhuliswe ngento bana like ndizawuthina andenzayibeka kanjani but the way izinto besenzeka ngakhona ekhaya the way nishapeke ngakhona.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So I
because
think-
nangoku ndisasixhenza ndisasina isimfene.
Oh.
Yabo ndisayisina imfene ndisayitya imiqa noba ndilapha eRhawutini ndisithini ndiyawupheka mina umqa eGoli.
So that means you've taken a culture yako. Are you still taking the Western, or are you more? Which one are you more comfortable with, or are you still practicing more? Is it still or zoyi-two nje?
Zombini man.
Uthatha lapho nalapho.
Yabo but kakhulu.
Uthatha
Ewe,
okay
ewe mntana.
okay hayi mina ngikuzwa kahle into vele ngizala ngihamba 1-1 ngoba manje ngiyabona ukuthi
Ngoza ngalo
ngihamba ngihamba 1-1 v wena which part do you think played which part ngibuze kanjena ne ukuthi which part esibhaca do you still practice and you intentionally chose to practice this part of Sparta and then which part of Western to say okay I can take this
Andibe kanjena ngoba ndiyacaphuna ngapha
Okay.
uyabona. But I think it depends uba ndilayi ngaleso sikhathi because kunetinto endithanda ukutenda nandike ekhaya ndithi ukuthi yabona ke la isibhaca into esibhaca behleli tentiwa but leto tinto leto nandini la eGoli so
Okay.
for mina ndingathi it depends uba ndilayi ngaleso sikhathi yes.
ngoba vele is different mawuthula uyabheka mawuthula mosemakhaya kunezinto ozenzayo emakhaya ongazenzi
ongatendi
eGoli.
nawe ke
Yeah.
kuwe.
Njenganami nje
Yes.
yazi mawuthula uyabheka ngalesa sikhathi hayi manje dala ngasa sikhathi mawuthula uyabheka eGoli lana intombi kwakuizi ukuthi uzithole emakhaya phela kwakumele ukuthi emakhaya phela akwazi ukuthi ungaba nentombi ubusuku bonke uzavuka nini ngo6 ekseni uvuka ngo3 so you can't kunezinto ozenzayo mawuseGoli kunezinto ongazenzi kunezinto ozenzayo mawusemakhaya I actually like that Nasbu is it different because and I like I would like to hear your points Boo because I think kwaLundi ne especially kwaCeza.
Yeah.
kwaCeza it was once a capital city in South Africa during a Bantu stand. It was once a capital city. I've never been there. And I will assume that is much more advanced or is much more imigwaqo mhlombe khona amatharoti zonke lezo zinto even though kusasemakhaya but it is much more advanced and how is it how do you balance between culture and the Western culture at the moment laphaya?
Kunjalo impela kunjalo yabona nje kwaceza khona isibhedlela kwaceza hospital so asikaze safarisha ngeindaba njengezempilo nani lezi izinto ezakhiwa ngaleso sikhathi just ukuthi uyabona kubalansiswe ukuthi sekuyicapacity sithi yonke into kufanele ibe accessible njengomuntu okhulele khona ngize ngasuka khona mhlambe sengiqede ngisho matric yabona so ngithe mangifika ke esilungwini
emaqaleni hospital laphaya.
Yeah, like a big hospital.
Thina laphana eRiverside phela emzimkhulu lapha eRiverside sine clinic isiphela nakhona.
Nathi sinaso isibhedlela.
Nesibhedlela nani?
Madzikane kaZulu Hospital.
Hayi khona eseduzane lapha.
Hayi asikho duzane nami. Ayisingake town.
Singake town.
Come to ours.
Hayi fana nathi phela nathi eSenteka kune but eSenteka like kumele ukuthi ube nemoto itaxi kumele ukuthi lapha kumina lapha kumele ukuthi but I get you ikhona isibhedlela. Okay.
No azikhona nje khona oNkonjeni kothula sizwe zikhona nje ibhedlela ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuyiyona le nto le eyadala leyo ntuthuko leyo ngokusheshsha.
So when you're growing up, was it were you influenced by culture, mostly by culture, or you took both culture and the Western? Bangithi Western, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesilungu.
Okay. Ngikhuliswe iculture.
Okay.
From the ground up. Khuliswe nje iculture. Nokuthe mangifika esilungwini uyazi ukuthi kuyaclash ukuthi mase ufika lapha ufika evarsity umkhaya indaba yakho nje bekeceleni so umkhaya yabona nje bengibizwa ngolundi
ngoba ngasolundu ubiza ngolundi
so uyabona le nto le igcina kufanele ukuthi uadapt yabona uadapt as a must ukuze ukwazi ukusurvive so nga-adapta kodwa enye into engicabanga ukuthi ingishape kakhulu ubaba ubeyithanda i-technology kakhulu so nje yes ngikhule nje umuntu wama TV ama DVD besingaphuthwa izinto ezenzakalayo nje out there so ngumuntu okhule efamily nalezo zinto kube lula futhi mangifika esilungwini ukuthi hayi i-transition ngwazi ukungena namentweni
that's quite interesting and so athi ngibuze if and I like that fact ukuthi it's both and ngithanda ukuthi futhi no mawawa ushilo ukuthi mostly it's culture. Do you think you grew up nge-culture because it was pressure uzalelwe lapho? No, but it's something that you chose. When did you choose culture? Or you still usayihamba ngayo just because it's a pressure yokuthi ayazini mangasuka la abazali bami bazakhuluma ilali yami izakhuluma yabo abantu engikhule nabo bazakhuluma or do you say no I'm following this because it's me choosing? And ngibuza lokho ngoba ngifuna ukwazi.
Okay kumina nje just ukuthi kumina ukuthi ngisuka kuphi identity yabona iyona engikwazi ukubona ngayo ukuthi ngisuka kuphi noma sengingaya kuphi going forward.
So you think your identity is shaped by your culture?
Definitely.
Or is shaped by
definitely indlela yokucabanga.
The way you are now is because of your culture and where you okay,
so even ngisho kuthiwa ke sengiyafunda manje ngama western philosophers western ways of doing things kunento ethi I have to align it with identity yami yabo
ukukhumbula ukuthi ubuya
bungabe manje
yonke into yenzayo ufuneka ukukhumbula
uthatha philosophy ethile
but okay
because ekugqibeleni izaqhubela ichana lanto because mhlambi masithi kuqhubela kwenzeka into bana uba nabantwana
okay
maba nabantwana afuneke ubenzele imbeleko nani
and
wena ngoku sofike wathatha lento bana no disegoli ngoku ufuneke ndiphile iwestern life nani yabo ufollowe le western culture nani uqhubela ke ngosothini sothi no awuzuyenza imbeleko awubelieve kuyo
I get you.
Igcina ke ngokuyenzani igulisa abantwana because kunyanzelekile uba uqhubele ubuyele emva.
Let me play a devil's advocate lana.
Okay.
Let me play a devil's advocate. Mina kahle ngikhulele eGoli isikhathi eside. So I think I came eGoli I think I was around 7 or 10, right? Abazali beqeda ukushona. And I got to a point whereby isintu, it wasn't something that I was very familiar with. Njengangisho esikolweni futhi mina ngafunda iSuthu because isikolo sabeSuthu was the one that actually accepted me ukuthi hi you can come and stuff like that. And I won't say that then I'm shaped by my culture. I'm shaped mostly by my mom. So my mom vele wanginikeza the values yokuthi umuntu uyahlonishwa, umuntu umuntu before anything else, yabo. Into efana nalezo ukuthi umuntu uyambulisa mambona, umuntu omdala uyabulisa mambona. That's why goal nje nga understand le culture ukuthi umuntu akasabulisa, sizikhamba nje yazi ngi understand nje lo umuntu uyabulisa, especially umuntu omdala awumdluli nje kuphela uyambulisa and stuff like that. But and futhi Tina sonke la we've met in social media. So we can't ignore the fact that social media then plays a role, right, into or influence us into how we live right now, right? Or maybe mangabe phela it doesn't influence, but sonke lana sihlangane kwa TikTok. So do we all agree ukuthi it does play a role, social media? And if it does play a role, what role does it play? Because I understand ukuthi okay, culture, it is there, and if you are influenced by culture, but then social media, then where do you put it? Nina njenga nonke ngama-influencers la nonke nje nonke so where do you put social media? Because social media is Western.
Okay.
Where do you put it?
Mina ngathi i-social media ngisebenzisela uku-expressa yona i-culture.
That's
Okay, same ne, but I want to say social media itakushaper or itaku-influencer ngale ndlela wena oyivumele ngayo okanye ngale ndlela wena ofuna ngayo. Yes,
ndivumelana nayo Vina apha.
Because manje mawufika lapho kwi-social media kunabantu abahlukahlukene, kukwena ukuthi ufollowa i-content yobani and leyo content izo affecta indlela ocabanga ngayo njengamanje.
But then so it means that social media doesn't really and lento le ngikhuluma ngoba nonke nibuye emakhaya. And I have a view yabantu abakhulele abo Wandile. So okay, Wandile wahlala eCape Town, but ukhulele la eGoli most of his childhood, even ukhulela eGoli. And culture uye waya eSuthwini kwaba indaba ezalutho and stuff, but most of it ukhulele la entweni like. So where do we put those people? Do we say those people are influenced by social the Western culture, or they are influenced by culture? Abantu abakhulele la mase nibuka ke lapha kuma social media nibona abantu ukuthi ayilo angathi kwenzakala, hayi ukuthi Wandile hayi ukuthi wena unjalo
asikhuluma ngawe
ukuthi wena wakhulela ngala noBoyna wakhulela ngala, nami njenganami ngakhulela primary school, high school ngakhulela, even though ke I made trips that side, but ngakhulela ngalana to a point. But because I want to understand ukuthi does social media actually have a standing yokuthi it can influence you, and if it does influence you, to what point can you allow social media to influence you?
Kunokuthi gcina ngathi nakho sekuyiculture yakho, yabona abantu abakhulele esilungweni emasababsini kunezinto abazenzayo ezivele zikwenze kube obvious ukuthi akazayo emakhaya lo muntu, akazazi izinto ezithile ezenziwe emakhaya. Lento athi ukhuluma ngayo nje ukubingelela, thina asifundiswe emakhaya ukubingelela. Ubona nje nawe usukhulu uhamba ubingelela wonke umuntu endleleni ngoba iyona ndlela ukuphilwa ngayo vele. Abantu mabengena la ekhaya kini bazocela ushukela bayabingelela, kuthiwa na hamba ocela ushukela nawufika ubingelela.
But I think it's because of pressure. I think mina honestly speaking, I think social culture, the way khona manje senza khona is because mhlombe sathi elalini bazathini khona manje bona siku ekhaya you are representing the whole Mpondo ne.
Yes.
And you are representing the whole Bhaca from Emanfrey, you are representing the whole Zulu, right? And it's because of pressure. If there wasn't any pressure, then who would you be?
No.
Would you still follow the culture or won't you follow the culture?
I disagree.
Okay.
Kodwa
Yes, I
pressure,
disagree.
yeah.
Akuyona ipressure yazi ngobani? Ngoba sisho nje ukuthi lento le iyona nto othi mawukhula uyibuke iyona ndlela okuphilwa ngayo nawe ukhulela kuyona angeke wenze ngenye indlela endaweni okhulela kuyona abantu benza ngendlela ethile specific ikhona into engathi mhlambe kwesinye isizwe ayilona ihlazo kodwa
Okay.
emakhaya ihlazo akho pressure for example indlela yokugqoka mhlawumbe umuntu okhulela esilungene engagqoka nje noma yikanjani yabo
Hey, bagqoka ama-bum short manje phela esilungwini bagqoka ama-bum short.
babushuzele ngezinqa itown yonke
Exactly.
ayikho into errong ngalokho kodwa manje emakhaya
Ayikho wrong. Okay, hayi sizwa ngawe sibu. But ke masikhulume.
emakhaya mawukhula awukazi ubone umuntu enza leyo nto so ayikho into efika emqondweni akho ukuthi kwenze akho pressure like ukhula nje awukwenzi Then
Exactly, fana nabo V. Abo V khona manje V siyazi la kuma vlog akho lapha wena awufaki mawusekhaya awufaka ubhlukwe. Ufaka le lama amaphinifa. Mawusemakhaya ufaka amaphinifa kodwa mona why is it that?
buka ke ipressure sife thina siyifice esilungwini yokuthi sigqoke kanje
Oh.
yes
Hayibo ukuthi athwani sendivuntele Mall of Africa ngephini.
Ngokuphinifa yakho.
ngijabona ipressure sife
Ngokuphinifa yakho Mall of Africa.
Hayibo wena.
Chani.
Hayi
Kanjani?
kanjani akantangana yakho lo phinifa.
Ungahamba ngebheshweni eMall of Africa.
Abelungu bona bahamba ngale zabo la amabhunu la ezi brown and ubhoyi unayo. Boy awunayo lento.
Okay.
Lesa ngathi zamabhunu amaplaza abaseplazini.
Ubuthini kanene? Ubuthi sometimes senta itindo ngoba sinalanto ukuthi yo batathini esigundwaneni elalini yami. Yathi anditsho banivana nawe unganithathe kanjani.
Okay.
Ngitsho but ndinayo into engathi ifuna ndikuva kahle because njengoba thina sikhulele emakhaya sabe sesikhamba lenzawo sikhambe sifunza kuto nawufika phayana ubamba isidima sakwini ubamba isidima salendzawo usuka kuyo because nawufika res ugila imikhuba esingayadi into esibuta yona oyi uphuma kwikhaya elinjani ngokulo
Yebo.
owalayike ngokulo
Injalo vele injalo but ke I want to wonder because njenga ngisho ngithi mina I've got the mentality yase kasi right and mentality yasentweni. Do you think then culture plays an important role to build your culture to build your identity or identity you can choose who you are as you grow up but without culture?
Okay ngathi ke kulokho iculture thina isinika nje ifoundation and then as ukhula njengami nje umzekelo mase ngiqedile sengiphumile sengise res now sengaqala ke manje ngiyayibuildela ke manje eyami identity sengiyayikhethela incwadi engiyifundayo sengiyayikhethela indlela engifuna ukuthi ifuture yami ibe ngakhona sengiyayikhandela manje kodwa ifoundation enginayo ngisuka nayo le ekhaya
Ngihleka lento ukuthi eRes la ngibona enye video khona manje le ethi kono umjida opostile lapha athi now I ngiphethe isitoko sasemakhaya. Ndazi lo video. Ikhona nje video athi khona manje athi intombi zasemakhaya are much more better. People actually opting for intombi zasemakhaya than intombi zaseGoli ngoba intombi zasemakhaya I guess sana leyo nhlonipho leyo.
Yeah.
Intombi zaseGoli ezingenayo ngoba ezaseGoli ziyakutshela ukuthi hayi kunikeze 1000
ingozi yodwa
ingozi yodwa
hayi mangaka ama 1000 asekhishiwe
and maning but I want to understand right ukuthi okay tingibuze wena mawawa uthi uyimpondo you grew up esikoleni wenzeni isiXhosa noba isipondo
Denze isiXhosa.
wenze isiXhosa right and that means you are blended between Xhosa and Pondo right so which one did you choose and I want to ask this because then it will make me understand what identity did you choose to actually then live with because manje somdala you can make your own choice yokuthi ingaba ulo muntu lokuthi yazi ngithatha ukuthi ngibe
ngibele impondo kanye ndibe ngumuntu
uyabo le ndaba which one did you choose
yabona makufika lapho yazi mina benixabana kakhulu nomama wami wesiXhosa because kwezinye izinto endaweni obana ndibhala isiXhosa benibhala isimpondo
hayibo wait is it different is that much difference vele isiXhosa nespondo
asihlukanga kakhulu but ezinye izinto thina emaXhoseni like emampondweni sithi uba umuntu mhlambi uborile andazi ngesiXhosa bathi ukuthini thina sithi uyanchinca so benibhala lezo zinto ngoku yabona ukubetha thina asibethi sakuchaya
uyachaya nathi siyachaya lapha kwabhaca siyathi okay
so ke ngoku
it was that that ukuthi
kuphinde kube nzima
ukuthi sometimes wena because endlini vele mhlombe niyaxela
endlini tata ngeke umve ethethe isiZulu kanye ethethe isiXhosa kanye uyaxela mntu so ke ngoku iyakulanto bana xa ixela nami kufuneka ndixele ngoba phela ndila endlini
V
ekhaya
okay ngifuna ukubuza V when you went to Port Elizabeth Swile last week so Mount Elizabeth which language as a home language bowenzani lapho
isiXhosa since primary school ndisasuka emakhaya
also you did Xhosa now okay
ndafika naphayana ndafunza isiXhosa futhi but ndifunza leso siXhosa nje ndiyathatha uba ndiyazifunza kaloku ngoba ntatsini isibhaca sikho kodwa mina asikho kaloku
inkinga yethu ile nina kujabula nina sibo ngoba nina isiZulu nisenze esikolweni nisenze even nangomXhosa Wandile angicela did you know that there's a Mpondomise do you know that there was a Mpondo or Mpondomise did you know Atubas, but because I want to understand labantu abanama official languages, right? Because nangu nizababona bonke labantu engikhuluma ngawo one day nizababona nangu uboy naye ihlubi uyasho ukuthi there was a time mayiqeda ukufika esikolweni efunda isiXhosa ubenga understand ukuthi kahle why kumele ukuthi I must pronounce certain words like this and stuff like that ngoba ihlubi and ihlubi it got its own distinction amaZulu it's okay njenga umnqobi washo wathi ayena ngasikhathi sikhuluma ngavele I think we were talking about one of the episodes ukuthi ayena yena wakhula umZulu so it doesn't really
ngale ngakithi nje isiZulu uyabona nje isona sifundo esikoleni isona sikhuluma ekhaya
and kumnandi makunjalo hayi kodwa sivale ngoba sazoba mnandi le ndaba siyabonga mawawo ukuthi sivakashele. This was very actually nice. I enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining us. Now I am afuna ukuthi uze iza uzohlala nathi. Bemnandi nje. Hayi ita. Hayi onina nithi ngespondo. Ize ekhaya.
Woza ekhaya.
Woza ekhaya. Shoda mina wasemzimkhulu emzimkhulu sithini. Sithina emzimkhulu.
Itla. Kushota bona
shooting ngathi disappoint mina wasemzimkhulu ukuthi home kuphela but ke
ngathi come
njalo nje come phela nasuthi phela mina ngasazi hlolo wena bona uqoqela ko wena hantle letsa jwamo le lenteng ka Basotho ngamo because re batla fela Basotho re batla Mapedi re batla Mavenda re batla batho bana ka fela go batle ka fela re tlo qoqang ka fela gore entle lona le dietsa jwang ka fela tabatseng sa lona that would be very great ukuthi wonke umuntu eze and then because I think we don't want not we don't want, but anyone is welcome to come to ekhaya and actually engage with us. Ake mase ngivala ikhona mhlombe enye into enifuna ukuthi nisixoxe ngayo before ngivala.
Mina ndifuna ukuthi naba kuthiwa uyaphi naba kuthiwa uphi ungalibala lapho soka khona.
Yeah.
Ungafika uchintshe xa ufika eGoli. Na ufika eKapa na ufika noba mhlawumbe unobuya overseas afika azilibaleni ba hayibo uLimpondo afike sekenza into zangale alibali ba hayi thina ngapha besenza kanje nakanje nakanje
madoda
khumbula lapho usuka khona
awu nizwile nimzwile
kumawawa nami xa sodibana nami pha ndisithi hayibo molo mntamu njani uthi hayi I'm good and you I can't speak Xhosa kanye hayi kaloku njani kodwa sikhule sonke lebuhlungu hayi ndam
can't speak more
thina so nje noba kuthiwa uphi suliba lapho usuka khona mntasi
I think it's very much important because I think and as someone who grew up in the very much because mina ngakhuliswa I think isibongo sami mina khona manje ID uread vele ngakhuliswa abelungu ne uma wami nobaba wami khona manje ngithi uma wami lo baba wami abelungu and they are both abo reads but they made sure that I still understand ukuthi you know what wena umuntu omnyama owakwabhaca uyabo lezo ndaba
ayiyo ke into ebalekile
very much important
engiyithandayo ngendlela owenza ngayo izinto yabona ukuthi yize usichazele ukuthi ukhule kanjani ukhuliswa abantu abanjani kodwa usafuna ukuthi siengage ekhaya sikhulume ngalezi zinto lezi so nabanye abantu bengacosha lapho bacoshe bayithole nabo ukuthi basuka aphi mhlambe lento inganginika idea ukuthi why sometimes wenza izinto ozenzayo because emakhaya kunento yokuthi ukuthi wenza into uyitshela ukuthi uyicabangele nje wena uyidecide kuthiwa ufuza umkhulu wakho
enjalo very much let
uyicabangele
ufuza ubani bani
ufuza umalume
ufuza ubani bani
so uyakushape le nto ngendlela enhle futhi owazi kahle ukuthi awedwa kuyona
exactly and when you touch that and probably one day we're going to talk about it because I think that's what actually engise kakhulu esintwini ngoba masixoxe ekhaya abakwa read abelungu amakhaladi umama ekhaladi ubaba umlungu masixoxe ekhaya bokutholakala ukuthi bona bazasho ukuthi wena ufuze bani bani wena ufuze bani bani ngoba vele kodwa mina humi kuphela umuntu omnyama and then but they will say that when I got an opportunity ukuthi nami ngaza abantu basekhaya ngiyemzimkhulu stuff they were very much encouraging because bafuna lonto ukuthi kumnandi ukuxoxa ukuthi wena ufuze bani bani hey ufana nobani bani ufana noaunti ufana nobani bani zonke lezo zinto which is very nice but ke either you are shaped by culture or you are shaped by social media I think what needs to happen is that you need to remember that who you are and stick to and believe to your identity that this is you nezinto ezifana nalezo ayikho njalo
nje ayijike futhi
ayejabula wena ntombi kaGametso wazala inxele wazala into insizwa ziphelele madoda umoto gama limnandi ngaliphinda kabili moto
uyabona ke manje sesiphuma nje kanje ungakhohlwa ukulike ivideo usubscribe ufollowe ekhaya podcast ungakhohlwa ke futhi nokucomment lapha siqhube iconversation kwi-comment section ngiyazi ukuthi kuba nezinkulumo ezithile yikho lokho esikufunayo
injalo
yikho lokho esikufunayo
papa yini mnandi sinengabhobhi kakhulu pha kwi-comment section itani la yonke lento yoyitsho la
abayisho la asibonge
yoyitsho la
hayi siyabonga mawawa siyabonga usivakashela futhi next time sibonge kakhulu ake papa yisa next week